So, hi everyone. So in the previous video we have discussed about the definition of 6 trigonometry ratio and we have solved some problem on it. Now we will find the angle from 0 to 90 degree for all these 6 trigonometry ratios. Okay. So lots of student gets confused over this table. So I will show the way how to write this box. Okay. Before that we should record some properties we have learned. We have 3 trigonometry ratio: sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Okay, the reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta, so I can write cosec theta as 1 by sin theta. Okay, similarly the reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta. I can write sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Similarly tan theta, how can I write? Tan theta is the ratio of sin theta divided by cos theta. So the reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. Tan theta can be written as 1 by cot theta. Okay. So by using this concept, we will try to solve this box. Okay. The reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta and the reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta. Okay. Before that, I will write whole number of it. Means I will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. To all I will divide by 4, by 4, by 4, by 4, by 4 and by 4. Okay. First I have written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and to all I have divided by 4. Now I will keep root to all. Okay. Solve this, you will get the value of sin theta. 0 by anything I get 0. Okay. Root 1 by 4. What I get root 1 by 4? The value of root is 1 and the value of root 4 is 2. Means 1 by 2. Similarly, I can get 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. What I left out with? Root 1 by 2. So, the value of root 1 is 1 and root 2 is as it is 1 by root 2. Similarly, the value of root 3 is root 3 divided by the value of root 4 is 2. Okay. 4 gets cancelled. What I remain? Root 1. Root 1 value is 1. Okay. Simple. For cos theta, write from backwards. What I get? 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Okay. For tan, we know that the formula for the tan theta is sin divided by cos. If you divide 0 by 1, 0 by anything, what get? 0. Same. 1 by root 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. What I remain? 1 by root 3. Similarly, divide this, what I get root 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 get cancelled, what I remain? 1. Here 2 gets cancelled, what I remain? Root 3 by 1 means root 3. Now here 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by 0 is not defined. For cot, write back from the tan. What I get? 0, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. Okay. So now secant theta. Secant theta, we know the secant theta is the reciprocal of 1 by cos. Means the secant theta is reciprocal of 1 by cos. Means I have to write the reverse of this. What I get reciprocal of 1? 1. The reciprocal of root 3 by 2, I have to write reverse. What I get? 2 by root 3. Similarly here 1 by root 2, what I get? Root 2. Root 2 by 1 means root 2. 1 by 2 reverse, 1 by 2 reverse is 2. 2 by 1, I get 2. Now 1 by 0, again 1 by 0 is not defined. Okay. Now there are 2 ways for finding cosec theta. Right from the back you get cosec, or you can write reciprocal of sin, you get cosec. Okay. I am writing from the back of sec. What I get? Not defined. 2 root 2, 2 by root 3 and here is 1. Check, the cosec is a reciprocal of 1 by sin. Again 1 by 0 not defined. Next 1 by 2, the reciprocal is 2 by 1, that is 2. 1 by root 2 reciprocal root 2 by 1, which is root 2. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by root 3 and 1 by 1 is 1. So this is the simple and easy way we will write the 6 trigonometry ratio from 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degrees. Okay. Practice it. So in next video we will solve the next textual question. Thank you. Now let's solve some question from the angles of trigonometry ratio concept. So given here sin 45 plus cos 45. So we have previously discussed about how the angle of sin 45 cos 45 will come in the table. Okay. Now the sin 45 plus cos 45. So what is the value for sin 45? It is 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Take the LCM. What I get, denominator are same. We will take root 2 and numerator is added 1 plus 1. So what I get, 2 divided by root 2. So I can write 2 as root 2 whole square. The square root get cancelled. What I remain left out with 2 only. So I am writing 2 as root 2 whole square divided by root 2. This root 2 one time gets cancelled and the answer is root 2. Okay. Now second question. Cos 45 divided by sec 30 plus cosec 60. So what I get, cos 45, the value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2 divided by the value of sec theta, sec 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cosec 60 is 2 divided by root 3. So take the LCM in the denominator, what I get, 1 by root 2, numerator remain as it is. So in denominator root 3 and the numerator what I get, 2 plus 2. So 1 divided by root 2 divided by 2 plus 2 is 4 divided by root 3. Okay. If you take denominator up, what I get, reciprocal means a by b. In the numerator I am taking, it will become b by a, means root 3 divided by 4. A by b, coming in numerator it will be b by a. 1 into root 3 divided by 4 into root 2 as it is 4 root 2. Okay. Now third question, given 2 tan square, the question here is square. 2 tan square is 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Okay. Solution 2, the tan 45 value is 1 to square, means given here square. Okay. Now plus cos 60 value is root 3 by 2 to square minus sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 whole square. So what I get, 2 1 square is 1 plus the square root can cancel, left out with 3 divided by 2 square is 4 minus 3 root 3 square get cancelled, 3 divided by 2 square is 4. This gets cancelled, 2 ones are 2. Okay. Now I think you got the idea how to solve the trigonometry ratio angle. The main concept here, we have to know the angle first, then only you can able to solve this. There is just the simplification is there. The best we have to know the value first from cos 45, cos 60 and 30. Okay. Thank you.